Hello, so this is the video presentation of the project we completed at Webstack Academy as full stack web development intern. So this report is presented by Aryan, Dalvi and Kavita Chauhan. So the topics that will be covered in this video are introduction, overview of the internship, goals of internship, about full stack web development and MERN stack, project requirements, architecture and design, implementation details, conclusion, and project demo. So, starting with the introduction, Aryan Dalvi and Kavita Chauhan, we both are currently pursuing our BE in Information Technology, and currently we are enrolled as web developer intern at Webstack Academy. So, overview of the internship is Webstack Academy offers wide range of internship opportunities to the students to learn and gain hands-on experience over the projects supported by the team of good and knowledgeable trainers and backend team. Monstack internship here helps students learn as well as design and manage fully functional websites and keep them equipped with the latest changes by using the technologies like React, Mongo, Express and Node.js. Goals of the internship are this internship aims in providing students with a basic knowledge of web development technologies like MERN, along with intermediate level implementation of the projects by using these technologies and many more platforms like Stripe and Cloudinary for backend controls. It also helps students understand the importance of working within the deadlines of the projects and completing the assigned tasks within stipulated time slots. Teamwork is also encouraged here by helping each other on the doubts during the sessions and within the discussion forums. So about full stack web development and MERN stack, full stack web development epitomized by the MERN stack entails mastery of front end and back end technologies to create versatile end-to-end web solutions. Full stack developers proficient in MERN possess the agility to handle diverse tasks from user interface design to server configuration and many more. MERN's utilization of isomorphic JavaScript enables seamless code reuse between client and server, optimizing performance and simplifying maintenance while facilitating real-time and scalable web applications. The MERN stack benefits from a vibrant developer community offering extensive resources, libraries, and tutorials, empowering developers with the tools and knowledge necessary for rapid development and problem solving. So, talking about the project requirements, knowledge about programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is required. Knowledge about MERN stack technologies is required. We should know how to establish connection between different modules of the projects. We should be able to integrate and manage third-party API tools for payment integration and user authentication purpose. So the architecture and design of the project consists of front end created using React.js, offering dynamic and responsive user interface. Backend database connectivity to MongoDB server for storing property and user details. Backend technologies like Node.js and Express.js are used for server-side logic and API integration. Talking about the implementation, user interface is designed using HTML, CSS, and React.js to provide a dynamic and responsive experience to the users. Integrated MongoDB server to fetch, store, and update user details, also the property details. We also created RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. We also integrated third-party APIs like Cloudinary to store images, Mailtrap as SMTP protocol, and Stripe to process payments of the users. In conclusion, with this internship, we learned a lot of things like we gained knowledge about the web development technologies like MERN. We gained hands-on experience over the projects by using these technologies. We learn to use portals like LMS for solving our doubts and keeping us updated with the latest announcements and discussions going on within the firm. We learn to work within teams to solve and clear each other's doubts and help each other to complete the work on time. So, this was all about the internship. Thank you.
So let's start with the project implementation. here are my two folders, backend and frontend. So I will change my directory to backend in one terminal, and I will start the backend server. Then in another terminal, I will change my directory to frontend, and I will start the frontend also. So the frontend server is running now. So let me copy this and open it in this server. So this is my frontend. These are all the properties, and then I will, if we are in this, so here are all the filter options. This is search. These are the dates, booking dates, we can say, and this is login page. So I have no user is currently created. So here you can see there are all the properties and no user is now currently created. So when we will log in, it will give login unsuccessful because no user is saved in the database. But when we will go to new user and create a user, so let me create a user, phone number, email, password I will give, register, so 6 character password, user login successfully. So a new user is being created, and when we will go to users, now you can see a new user with name and email ID and phone number is created. Now I will go to my account. You can see all the details of the users are visible. We can also change this profile picture of the user. So I will go to edit profile, choose avatar, and I will go to my project folder and leave up front end SRC and logo. Okay, so this is their logo. Front public, and here you can see the profile. I will open this and update this. Profile updated successfully, messages come and the profile is successfully updated. When I will go to my bookings, I have currently not booked any of the place, so it is showing no bookings available. And in my accommodation, I have not entered any new place, so it is showing accommodation not available. So that was about the profile section. And when we will go to change password, if I will enter my current password and the new password which I have to give. So I have entered the new password and I will click on update password. Password is updated now. So when I will log out, log in again, it is my new long password with which I will log in now. So this functionality is also working. When we will go to filter, if I will select house and Wi-Fi and apply filter, you can see this all the properties have house and Wi-Fi. Coming back to the home page, here you can see all the properties. Let's say now I want to book this property in our farmhouse. So here are all the details. Here is the map. Okay, So here are the features the villa offers and the maximum guests are 8. Let's say I will give the booking dates, number of guests, so I will say 9. Here are 8. 8 maximum number of guests is 8, but I have given you 9. So let's take the validation and my mobile number to play. So you can see the validation is working fine. If I will give 8 and book this place, you can see it is directed to the payment page. So I will give some rates and pay. Okay. Now you can see in my bookings all the details and the villa is booked with total price and 3 nights, dates, the name of the villa and the image. All is shown properly. Now let's say I want to add a place. I will go to add new place. Here property name. So I will say Grand Villa, Villa 1. Here let's say Grand Villa 1. We'll enter the location as Mumbai, state Maharashtra. This will be okay. In the photos, I will add the photos from a link. So let me paste that link first. Okay, so here is the link from which I will paste the photo, add, and there should be minimum 5 images added. So we will give all the images. As you can see, 5 images. We'll add the create villa to standard down with family. Will flat entire home and AC, TV. I will not fill will give maximum guest and price per night. Let's say 4,000. So it's now working. Now I will when save. You can see in my accommodations it is visible. Let's check in our database if it is dated or not. So when we will go down, you can see Grand Villa 1, great villa to spend time with family, and all the details are updated here in our database, and 18 interests are now created. So when we will go to our home page, go to the next section, you can see here the Grand Villa 1 is now visible here. So all the description information is now visible. Going to home page, let's filter out the locations. So I will say Goa. I will choose the dates, number of guests, and search. No property is found. Okay. I will Goa. Choose the dates. Add guest. I will say 4. You can see now it is visible. So previously it was not visible because when we will go to my bookings, you can see the dates for 6 to 9 dates. There is already booked villa from this account. So no new villa will be shown for these dates. So you can see all the dates are blocked. So if we will go to further dates, now you can see the villages are shown or the places are shown. Okay, so all the project implementation is working fine. My account. Let me so the profile picture that I have uploaded here will be visible in a Cloudinary management. So I will go to media library and avatar. So when I will click on avatar, it should be visible here. The profile picture that I have did. You can see the picture now. Um, so yeah, when I uh, let me show the working of the mail track. So if in case the user forgot his password, so this was the user I have created previously from this email. As you can see here, this was the email. So let's take a let's take the condition that user have forgot the password, and then we will click on forgot password, and they will ask for email, and when we will enter the email, send email, the email is sent, check your inbox. The email will be sent to this account which we have give the credentials, which we have given the credentials in our backend config.env file. So here are the credentials for Cloudinary, for Mailtrap, and for Stripe. So I have uploaded the credentials, and now you can see the email has been sent to me here immediately after when I have clicked on send email. So when I will go to this reset password option is coming. When I will click on reset password, they will ask for the password, new password, and the confirm password. When we reset password, okay, the password is being set. Again, I will go to this login, and now when I will enter the new password and click on login, you can see user has logged in successfully. This was the message. So now all the working of the project is fine, and all the functionalities are working. My bookings, my accommodations, filtering, the link to the home page, and visibility of the properties, etc. So that's all the implementation of the project.